Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing on this mannequin how to do flat twist with extensions added and without extensions added. I already have these ones done with some Mali hair added, so without much ado, let's get started. So the first one I'll be doing now will be without extensions, and given that this is just a mannequin hair, I'm not really going to be soaking up our hair. Like, our hair is not textured, so I'll just do our hair as is. So how we get started. Little section up there, split in two, and we're twisting. Roll rather. It's just like doing individual braids. For every rotation, I pinch a bit of air from the left and roll it in. Hence the term flat twist. I'm twisting, but it's flat down. And when I'm done here, I flip it and do 2-strand twist. And I like to anchor my flat twist, so I'll be doing that. I'll be anchoring in hellbent 2 knots. So oopsie. See, now this one I'm touching has some extension added, and this one I just did now has no extension added. I'm gonna continue with no extensions. I'm gonna do 2 more without extension, or rather 2 more without extensions actually. I'm starting again. Wait. 2 pieces. Yep, roll, 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 roll. See, 1, 2, cross, and I begin to twist. And as I'm twisting down, I'm pinching some hair from. Now this one, now I'm twisting clockwise. I'll try and do the last one anti-clockwise. See. Somehow, and when I'm done the tail, finish up in 2-strand twist. Then I anchor her again and bend 2 knots. For the record, because I'm flat twist now happens to be a natural style, it usually does come out better on textured hair. As you can see, my mannequin hair here, she does not have textured hair. Her hair is pretty fine, I mean straight. So this is not exactly the best outcome for, or a better outcome than this flat twist I had done on textured hair. I mean curly, coily hair, the ones we call kinky hair. So let me now, no extension, no extension. This one does have all of these ones have extensions added. So let me just do this last one. Let me see if I still have it. I'm trying to like I want to try and do this one anti-clockwise, which is really not the direction I flip my fingers when twisting. So let me see if I still got it. As against twisting to the right, now I'll be twisting this one anti-clockwise, which is to the left. I'm starting again with 2 sections. 1, 2. Usually I go this way, but since I'm going this way now, it will be in an opposite direction. So as I go, I pinch some hair on the right and twist to the left. Please don't laugh at this twist. This is not something I thought. Let me do it again. Come on, I can do this. Ooh, I am so out of practice with this. I'm so out of practice. But it's okay, it's forgivable. I mean, this is not even the style I get to do. So let me just respect myself and do it in a direction that my fingers are trained to. Now, there you have it. 1, 2, 3. With no hair added. All of the remaining have hair added. Now, we'll be moving on to the ones done with some hair added. I have to get up for this. Now, let's move on to doing the ones with them extensions. So, I would have to take out these ones. Well, I'll do this one at a time. So take this out. I have to get up for this because my finger placement on this will be different. So now for this, what I'm gonna do is what's that? Pinch a little up there, split in 2, Now I'm going to twist. I'm going to start with the extension added, as if I was doing two strand, as if I was doing a Mali twist. So twist this in. So I just twisted that in and flip. Now begin to twist down. And for every twist, I'm adding some airing. I'm gonna lock this thing. It's just that this time around I'm sort of twisting with the back of my hands, so to say. This is not very neat because this thing here is not sturdy. It keeps moving. Let's just anchor again in the bantu knot. See? With Marley hair added. Let's move on to the next one. A little chunk aside in the front, split into, like I'm gonna be doing some Mali twist. See, twist into the first one, one side. It's like it's firm, secure, and this other side I'm not starting to twist yet. I'm just gonna cross it over from there. So I just crossed, twisted one side, then twist the other, and I'm gonna start twisting down. Little bit, you don't pack you don't grab so much air at once. It's gonna be little bits at a time. So I don't like the best position. The region there. I wish this thing wasn't moving so much. Okay, yep. Told ya. This piece is so short that so I'm feeding in some extra hair. and anchor again. Let's do this last one. Twist down, secure, firm, hold that, flip your hand, cross the on the other end, and start to twist. And as I'm twisting, I'm grabbing some of the air that's loose and twisting that in. Twisting, twisting. And so basically that's how we get flat twists done with extensions and without extensions. And thanks for watching the video.